Hello everyone, thank you so much for coming to check out our sizing guide video. I'm here with beautiful Caitlin today.
Hello.
Caitlin and I are going to take you through measuring your head for one of our human hair lace front wigs. We're also going to walk you through just quickly what to do if you are going to be experiencing hair loss. I'll have our sizing chart up here for you as well as a bit of a guide, and we're just going to be noting the measurements as we go. So if you're experiencing hair loss that you don't think is going to go any further, or if you have already had full hair loss, then you can just measure your head as is and you're good to go. If you're wearing wigs for other reasons and you do have some hair, you basically want to keep that how it would sit in the wig. So I suggest a low flat bun at the nape of your neck here is perfect. If you are going to be experiencing a bit of hair loss, you basically want to make sure that you're keeping any hair you do have out of the way so that you can get the most flat to your scalp measurement. So Caitlin has popped her wig off for us, and we're just going to start at the top with the circumference. As you can see here, all of the measurements are in inches, so just making sure that you measure in inches. If you have hair, just sort of pull a little bit tightly over that bun that we popped at the nape of the neck, and pulling the tape measure around to the front, and again, just making sure that's where you would like the wig to sit. Okay, let's note our measurement there. Okay, the next measurement that's actually really important is our front to nape. So that's referring to the front of the hairline back down to the nape of the neck, just down here. And again, just having that exactly where you would like the wig to sit, so it's not too big and baggy in the back. Amazing, let's note that measurement there. All right, our third measurement is our ear to ear across the forehead. So starting at the first ear and just going across the forehead there, down to the other ear. Nice and easy. Let's note that measurement. Ear to ear over the top. So again, at the ear where you would like the unit to sit, and around to the other side. All right, our fourth measurement, temple to temple. So on the sides here, your temple, around the back of the head, back around to the other side, just like that. Beautiful. And note that measurement. I'll pop in a little video here of myself measuring the nape of the neck, and that is our final measurement. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. That is how you measure your head for a Lace Front Australia human hair wig. If you have any questions, reach out. You can always hit the contact us button just down below. Thank you so much. Bye.